spending hundreds of dollars on skincare products, only to find out that you've been sabotaging your own routine without even knowing it. That serum you swear by? Worthless if you put it on after your moisturizer. That expensive sunscreen? Useless if you layer it under your oil. Here's the truth. The secret to glowing skin isn't about the number of products you own, it's about the exact sequence you use them in. Get it wrong, and you're literally washing money down the drain. But if you master the right order, you unlock the full power of your routine. Today, I'll reveal the ultimate skincare sequence that dermatologists swear by, explained like a secret code that upgrades your skin to the next level. The problem with most routines. Most people blame their products when their skin doesn't improve. Breakouts must be the cleanser. No glow must be the serum. But here's the shocking part. In most cases, the problem isn't the product at all. It's the timing. Picture this. One person spends $400 on a routine, but applies everything in the wrong order, while another uses just 3 products in the right sequence and gets flawless skin. That's how powerful order is. Think of it like a lock. You can have the right keys, but if you don't use them in the correct sequence, the door never opens. Level 1. Clean surface. Open door. The first level is cleansing the foundation of every successful routine. Cleansing isn't just about removing dirt and makeup. It's about preparing your skin, clearing the pores, and creating a clean surface for everything else to penetrate. Think of it as unlocking the first door. If you skip this or do it half-heartedly, every product that follows struggles to work. Use a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type. Foam for oily skin, cream for dry, and gel for combination. Once the barrier is prepped, you've cleared the path for the next levels. Level 2, thin to thick equals the law. Now we enter one of the most overlooked rules in skincare. Always go from thin to thick. Toners and essences come first, then lightweight serums, and finally thicker creams. The reason? Molecule size. Smaller molecules penetrate deeper and need to go first, while thicker products sit on top to seal everything in. If you reverse the order, the thinner products can't get through, and you lose their benefits. So remember, liquid first, gel second, cream last. This one rule alone can transform how effective your products actually are. Level 3, target zone. First, here's where precision comes in. Instead of flooding your whole face with every active ingredient, focus only on the zones that need attention. Applying acids, retinoids, or spot treatments everywhere just irritates your skin and wastes money. If you've got acne on your chin, target that. If your forehead is dull, brighten that. Think of it like using a spotlight to shine it where it's needed, not everywhere at once. Smart application not only saves your skin, but also stretches your wallet further. Level 4. Seal the treasure. Now that you've built your foundation and added your targeted treatments, it's time to lock in the treasure. This is where moisturizers and oils step in. Without this step, everything you applied earlier evaporates or fades away. Imagine collecting gold coins in a treasure chest, but leaving the lid open, you'd lose everything. The moisturizer is that lid. It seals in hydration, strengthens the barrier, and makes sure the activities you invested in stay where they belong. Level 5. The final shield. If you only remember one rule, make it this one. SPF always goes last in the morning. Think of it as the ultimate shield in a video game. Without it, every level you've completed before is meaningless. Sunscreen protects your skin not just from sunburn, but from long-term damage, premature aging, and hyperpigmentation. No matter how fancy your serums are, without SPF, you'll never win the game. This is the non-negotiable boss level. Skip it, and you lose. The mistakes that break the sequence. Even with the right products, mistakes ruin routines. Putting oil before water-based products blocks absorption. Mixing too many active ingredients at once creates chemical chaos and irritation. Waiting too long between steps means products evaporate before they work. The sequence isn't optional. Break it, and you break your skin. The transformation. The real secret isn't chasing 20 different steps, it's mastering the right sequence. With this code unlocked, every product you already own works harder, faster, and better. That dull, tired look, gone. Instead, you'll see brighter, smoother, glowing skin, the kind that makes people ask, "What's your secret?" Now that you know the code, it's time to level up. Try this sequence tonight. Watch your glow transform and share this video with someone still wasting their products. Don't just use skincare, master it. And if you want more insider secrets, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss the next step in unlocking your best skin ever.